The 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé may be a compact four-door, but its safety story is anything but small. In the latest Euro NCAP tests, it delivered a strong, all-round performance, giving future owners a lot of confidence every time they buckle up. Adult occupant protection is rated at 78%, with especially impressive results in side impacts, where the car scored maximum points thanks to very stable structure and well-tuned side airbags. The cabin stayed stable in the frontal offset test as well, even though dummy readings showed that the driver chest protection was only rated as weak and the knees and femurs as marginal in that specific scenario. For families, the child safety story is even better. The 2 Series Gran Coupé earned 86% for child occupant protection. 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummy tests in both frontal and side impacts showed good or adequate protection for all critical areas. The front passenger airbag can be switched off so that a rearward-facing child seat can be used safely, and Euro NCAP found that all approved child restraint systems could be correctly installed and accommodated in the car. Parents will appreciate that peace of mind on every school run. Outside the car, BMW has put real effort into protecting pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. Vulnerable road user protection is rated at 85%, helped by an active bonnet that pops up in a collision to create more space between the hood and hard components underneath. The autonomous emergency braking system detects pedestrians, cyclists, and powered two-wheelers and performed well in Euro NCAP tests, even in tricky situations, like a cyclist suddenly appearing from behind a parked vehicle. Lane support and the car-to-car autonomous emergency braking were also rated as good, contributing to an 80% score in the Safety Assist category. Daily driving is backed up by useful technology such as speed limit assist, that reads road signs and maps, a system that watches for driver fatigue, and strong whiplash protection for both front and rear occupants. Put it all together, and the 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupé delivers a well-balanced safety package that fits its role as a stylish small family car,